catch the scent.
Oh, smells good.
Chillin' on the hood where all the time gets spent. From the boulevard flip to the beach we went. Hustle, smooth talk, can't pay no rent. Let the energy roll. Flip a coin on the scene, let the summer unfold. Snapping fingers at the homies, yup, we in control. Cause around here we spit life in gold. Retro threads, rocking top down in the breeze. Funky flow, gliding, doing just what we please. Catch the sunset rays, dripping orange with ease. It's a West Coast anthem, living free like the seas. City lights blink, they got secrets to spill. Painted asphalt whispers a soulful chill. Clouds pass slow like memories that fade. Walking through the midnight, chasing dreams we made. Echo of your laugh, now a ghost in the shade. Every step a crack where the smile decayed. Voices in my head softly hum your tune, dancing with the shadows under a silver moon. Falling stars write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom, in the deep of the night under a pale lit room. Street lamp flickers out, matches my doubt. Counting lonely steps, trying to map a route. Past the pain and the fear, beyond